In a world full of recalls, breakdowns, and costly repairs, some car brands still stand as rock-solid choices. If you want peace of mind, long-term reliability, and strong resale value, these are the brands to trust. In this video, we're revealing 7 car brands so reliable, you'll never regret owning them, backed by Consumer Reports. Let's start with a brand that practically defines reliability. Toyota. Year after year, Toyota tops reliability charts around the world. From compact sedans to full-size SUVs, their vehicles are engineered to last. It's the go-to brand for people who never want to see a mechanic. And the resale value? Nearly unmatched. Toyota's powertrains are tuned for longevity over flashiness, with engines that easily surpass 200,000 miles with basic care. Whether hybrid or gas-powered, performance remains steady and predictable. It's not about speed, it's about confidence. Their designs have evolved to be sharper and more modern. Newer models like the Camry and RAV4 strike a great balance between sporty and mature. Their styling is now competitive with brands twice the price. It's no longer just about reliability. They actually look good. Interiors are user-friendly and thoughtfully arranged, with materials that are durable and resistant to wear even after years of use. You won't get ultra-luxury, but you'll get comfort that lasts. Everything is built with long-term ownership in mind. Toyota's track record speaks for itself. It's the brand people trust to go the distance. Whether you want a fuel-efficient commuter or a rugged off-roader, Toyota delivers. Ownership costs are low, resale value is high, and breakdowns are rare. It's not just reliable, it's the definition of smart buying. Now, let's move to another brand that's mastered the formula for long-term happiness. Honda. Honda blends efficiency, performance, and bulletproof engineering. From Civics to Pilots, their lineup offers something for everyone, and it all just works. This is the brand for drivers who want excitement without compromise. Year after year, it earns top marks for reliability and value. Honda engines are smooth, efficient, and incredibly long-lasting. Even base models deliver engaging handling and solid fuel economy, and their transmission reliability is among the best in the industry. It's the kind of drive that makes you smile and never sweat. Honda designs have matured beautifully in recent years. Bold front ends, clean lines, and balanced proportions are the new standard. Models like the Accord and CR-V stand out in traffic without being flashy. They look sharp but not trendy. Inside, you'll find clean, logical layouts with excellent material quality. The tech is easy to use and built to last, avoiding overcomplication. Seats are supportive, and space is used incredibly well. It feels like the designers actually drive these cars. Honda hits the sweet spot between reliability and driving enjoyment. It's a brand that delivers more than just basic transportation. If you want long-term satisfaction without the luxury price tag, Honda should be on your list. And it's a favorite among mechanics because they rarely see them. From Japan to Germany, let's talk about a luxury brand that has cracked the reliability code. Lexus. Lexus proves that you can have premium features and long-term reliability. It's Toyota's luxury division, but with extra refinement and technology. If you want upscale comfort without worrying about breakdowns, Lexus is your answer. It's one of the few luxury brands that truly lasts. Expect smooth V6s, whisper quiet hybrids, and refined ride quality. Lexus cars prioritize comfort and consistency over raw power. Even with advanced systems, their drivetrains remain incredibly reliable. Hybrids like the RX and ES last well into 6-digit mileage. Modern Lexus styling is bold and confident, especially with their spindle grille. The designs divide opinions, but they always turn heads. Fit and finish are top tier, even after years on the road. These cars look premium from every angle. Inside, Lexus models offer soft touch materials and top-notch build quality. Controls are intuitive, and even base models feel luxurious. Cabins stay quiet and serene, even at highway speeds. It's where reliability meets real comfort. Lexus is the gold standard for dependable luxury. While European rivals struggle with electronics and maintenance costs, Lexus just keeps going. If you want peace of mind with premium appeal, Lexus delivers both. There's a reason Consumer Reports consistently ranks it at the top. Now for a brand that might surprise you, but it's climbing reliability charts with confidence. Mazda. Mazda is the hidden gem of the car world, reliable, stylish, and fun to drive. They've upped their game dramatically in the last decade, and now they're earning praise from both critics and owners alike. This is reliability with personality. Skyactiv engines are fuel-efficient and surprisingly punchy. Steering is sharp and responsive, especially in models like the Mazda 3 and CX-5. Ride quality balances comfort with a sporty edge. It's a driver's car, even in crossover form. Mazda's design language, Kodo, creates sleek, premium-looking cars. Long hoods, sculpted sides, and minimalist details feel European. Even affordable models look like luxury rides. They're often mistaken for something far more expensive. Cabins are upscale, with clean lines and high-quality materials. You'll find leather, contrast stitching, and well-integrated tech. Everything is designed around the driver. Simple, but elegant. It's hard to believe this comes at a mainstream price. Mazda delivers an experience that feels premium without sacrificing dependability. You get engaging performance, high-end aesthetics, and solid reliability scores. It's the perfect balance of excitement and confidence. And Consumer Reports gives it a solid thumbs up. Now that we've covered the first four, Subaru built for life, not just the road. Subaru has built a cult following thanks to its rugged durability and standard all-wheel drive. It's the go-to brand for adventurers, families, and anyone who needs a reliable all-weather ride. Even in harsh climates, these vehicles keep going strong. If dependability with a touch of outdoorsy charm is what you want, Subaru's the answer. Subaru's signature boxer engines and symmetrical AWD offer smooth power delivery, with excellent traction across the lineup, especially in snow or rain. While not built for speed, the drive always feels confident and stable, whether for daily commutes or weekend trails. Subaru's styling emphasizes function over flash, but newer models are catching up in looks. The Outback and Crosstrek now feature bolder grills, roof rails, and rugged accents. You get a ready-for-anything vibe without looking too aggressive. They look tough because they are. Inside, Subaru cabins are simple, comfortable, and practical. Durable materials and intuitive controls make for a hassle-free experience. There's plenty of headroom, great visibility, and family-friendly features. It's not fancy, but it's smartly designed for real life. Subaru offers one of the best reliability to value ratios on the market. It's a brand that puts safety, longevity, and practicality above everything. If you live in a place where roads get rough, this is the brand that keeps showing up. Consumer Reports regularly ranks them among the top for owner satisfaction. Next up is a brand that's flown under the radar for years, but their commitment to reliability is finally getting noticed. Acura premium performance with Honda DNA. Acura combines the luxury experience with the bulletproof engineering of its parent company, Honda. It delivers performance, technology, and comfort without the headaches that plague many luxury rivals. It's the smart buyer's premium pick, and it's aging better than most German brands. Acura's engines are smooth and powerful, especially in models like the MDX and TLX. With VTEC technology and sharp transmissions, the drive is responsive and refined. It's performance you can enjoy without worrying about breakdowns. And with AWD, you get impressive grip in all conditions. Modern Acura models boast a bold, angular aesthetic with strong road presence. The diamond pentagon grille and LED lights give it a high-end look. From crossovers to sedans, they strike a confident balance between sporty and elegant, sharp but never overdone. Inside, Acura interiors offer a clean, tech-focused layout with upscale materials. You'll find leather, brushed aluminum, and driver-centric controls. Cabin space is generous and the technology is intuitive. Everything feels solidly built for the long haul. Acura gives you luxury perks without the long-term pain. It's the perfect middle ground for people who want refinement and reliability. These cars often run flawlessly for over a decade. It's luxury with the reliability badge of honor. Now let's wrap this list with a brand that's made a strong comeback, and it's one of the most underrated names in the game. Hyundai. From underdog to industry leader, Hyundai has evolved from a budget option to a top-tier competitor in just 2 decades. It now offers style, tech, and dependability that rivals the best. And with one of the longest warranties in the industry, you're covered. They've earned their seat at the reliability table. Modern Hyundai engines are smooth, efficient, and impressively reliable. From the Elantra to the Santa Fe, drivetrains are tuned for comfort and everyday performance. Even their new hybrids and EVs maintain strong reliability scores. It's quietly confident, never overworked. Hyundai's design language has gone premium and bold. Vehicles like the Tucson and Ioniq 6 look futuristic and sharp. Their mix of aggressive lines and unique lighting sets them apart. They look more expensive than they are, and that's a good thing. Inside, Hyundai cabins are stylish and tech-rich, even in entry-level trims. Touchscreens, digital clusters, and soft touch materials make a big impression. It's user-friendly, upscale, and never feels cheap. Hyundai delivers serious value inside and out. With dramatic improvements in quality and consistency, Hyundai is no longer just affordable, it's trustworthy. Pair that with top safety scores and generous warranty coverage, and it's a no-brainer. It's a brand that has reinvented itself and earned respect. Reliability with style, that's Hyundai in 2025. According to Consumer Reports, all of these brands consistently rank in the upper tier for long-term dependability, owner satisfaction, and overall quality. Toyota, Lexus, and Subaru remain dominant, while Mazda, Hyundai, and Acura have steadily climbed over the past few years. Honda continues to be a favorite for balanced value and durability. The key theme? All these brands deliver consistency, a rare quality in today's market, where overcomplicated electronics and trendy tech often compromise longevity. If you want a car that just works year after year, these are the brands to trust. No overpriced repairs, no frustrating tech, just proven quality that stands the test of time. Did your favorite brand make the list? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a car smart video like this one. Want more buying guides, reviews, and automotive breakdowns? Stick with us. We're driving straight into the future.